Hello guys! Magluto po tayo ngayon ng minatamis na cassava. Ito yung ano natin guys. Ito yung cassava natin. Yan. Cassava natin. Yan. Gagawin natin is lagyan lang po natin yan ng tubig. Paapaw lang yung tubig sa cassava. Yan, ganyan lang. Tapos, pakuluan lang po natin yan. Pakuluan lang natin siya. Takpan. Silip-silipin lang hanggang kumukulo. Kukulo siya. Yan, alam natin yan pag kumukulo kasi yung ano natin, mag-iingay yung ano natin, yung whistle. Mag-whistle yan pag kumukulo na. So, yan lang. Okay guys. So, pause muna natin yung video at carry on yung video pag kumukulo na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kasunod na step. Ang next step pag kumukulo na siya. So, iwan muna natin to siya na kukulo. Let it boil guys. So, it's okay. Pabayaan natin siya yung mag-boil. At mag-carry on yung video natin mamaya. Okay guys, kumukulo na siya oh. Tingnan nyo, kumukulo na siya. Buksan natin yan. Okay. So ngayon is lalagyan natin ng sugar. Sukar. What sugar? Asukal. Okay. So, ngayon, let's mix it. Kuraw-kurawin eh. Kuraw-kurawin. Paghaluin natin yung sugar para ma-dissolve. Ilagay natin sa liquid.
Shouldn't you put that in a bigger pan?
I know, but it's already there.
It's going to be everywhere.
Yeah, I should put this in a bigger pan. Which is the next bigger size?
Or at the bottom.
Yeah, that's a lot bigger.
No, that one.
You can get it for me if you want, please. Okay, it's his idea is good. Let's put it in a bigger pan. Okay, sorry about this guys. I mess up. A little bit of mess up. Okay, so now saved by partner, no? Ilipat natin sa bigger pan.
Common sense, see?
Bigger pan.
Too big?
Too big, yeah, it's too big. Yes, it's too big. It's too small. It's too small. I was using a very small pan. So now we can, no problem, we can transfer it. There you go. At nang ma-mix, nang maayos yung sugar natin. O, diba? Good idea. Pero pag kayo magluto, siguro doon nyo na, on the first place, perfect yung size ng gamit nyong pan. Ako kasi, kagigising ko lang. So, wala pa yung ano ko, yung blend. Blend is not working. Okay. So, akala ko perfect size yung ginamit ko na ano, na pan. Hindi pala.
And have you noticed she's using metal again in her pan
that
we're not allowed to?
Oh,
Granddad coming out.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, look what they do, look.
This is a comedy show now.
She's
Okay,
cooking.
that's easier.
Cooking.
Let's dissolve the sugar first. Let's dissolve the sugar first. Ayan, ubos na natin yan. Minsan lang naman treat ourselves with sugar. Okay, so, yan ang sugar natin, no? Dissolve na siya. Almost completely dissolved. Alam ko pinagagawa niya, ganyan talaga yan. Okay. Diba? Uy, naglatik na siya, oh. Yan. So, lipat din natin yung holder ng ano natin, ng pan.
What on earth's that?
Bananas.
It's not banana.
Isn't it?
Cassava.
Cassava.
Okay, so
Cassava.
Okay. Next is, pakuluan na naman natin ulit. Let it boil again, yeah? Simmer it. Can I have the lid, please? My assistant. Yan. Pakuluan natin ng kunti. Let it boil again. Wrong lid. That one. Thank you.
You have to do that and get it in the demonstration.
Alright. Next step will be when we're ready to put the coconut. So, ito na guys. Luto na yung kamuting kahoy natin. Lagyan na natin ng coconut. Coconut milk. Kasi wala akong dilata na coconut. Ito yung gamit ko. Pero, mas masarap talaga siya guys pag presko yung coconut. Ito yung ano ng papa ko. Ano to ng delicacy ng papa ko to. Yung papa ko, ang galing niya gumawa nito. Pero ang palaging gamit talaga, hindi palagi. Gamit talaga niya is preskong gata ng niyog. Yan. So, paano pa natin to kasi, di ba solid siya, kailangan niyang mag-liquidize. Maano yan, mag-liquidize yan kasi mainit yung ano niya. Yung caramelize ano natin, sugar is mainit. Ayan, pabayaan lang natin yan hanggang mag-reduce yung liquid. Ayan. Ayan na yung ano natin guys, oh. Ayan guys. Malapot na yung consistency. Luto na siya guys. Ayan. Tayo na natin. At ating tikman. Tikman natin. Kuha tayo ng maliit na hiwa. Saan ba yung pinakamaliit? Ito. Tikman natin. Matikman nga. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Yan, subukan nyo. Galahin nyo yung recipe. Masarap.